Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu wa nastaghfiruhu wa natubu ilayh. Wa yaqul annikahu sunnati faman raghiba an sunnati falaysa minni. Sadaqallahu al-azim. وصدق رسوله الكريم ونحن على ذلك من الشاهدين الشاكرين والحمد لله رب العالمين.
Maybe we're made for a time like this, counting each breath so we wouldn't miss it. Don't close your eyes, undecided in all your trouble. Say goodbye when you know what to follow. Don't close your eyes. All said and done, get your breath somehow. No, we're not the only ones watching now. Don't close your eyes. Under something new, we'll say impossible isn't far away. So don't close your
Ananda Firman bin Muhdin, saya menikahkan engkau dengan seorang wanita yang bernama Nirmala Sari bin Anwar atas pemberian kuasa walihnya diberikan kepada saya dengan mahar 5 pohon cengkeh dibayar tunai karena Allah.
Terima nikah dan kawinnya Nirmala Sari binti Anwar dengan mahar 5 pohon cengkeh dibayar tunai karena Allah.
Don't you pass by. Stay with me, here with me. Stay with me, here with me.
Happy wedding buat Irma dan Kak Firman. Semoga menjadi keluarga sakinah mawaddah warahmah.
Won't you stay with me, here with me.
Wedding untuk saudari Nirma dan saudara Firman.
Ya, selamat menempuh hidup yang baru.
Betul.
Semoga apa nih kira-kira?
Semoga sakinah, mawaddah dan warahmah.
Cepat diberi momongan.
Amin. Oke.
Bye bye.
Won't you stay with me, here with me, stay with me, here with me, stay with me.